Hello students, we continue the discussion of the chapter price determination under various competitions. In this session we see price determination under monopolistic competition. In the previous class we see price determination under monopoly competition. In this session we see price and output determination under monopolistic. Under monopolistic competition, organizations need to make optimum adjustment in the prices and outputs to attain equilibrium. Apart from this, under monopolistic competition, organizations also need to pay attention toward the design of the product and the way the product promoted in the market. ಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯಯುತ ಪೈಪೋಟಿ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಏಕಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗಳೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಇದು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Moreover, an organization under monopolistic competition is not only qualified to study its individual equilibrium, but equilibrium of organizations existing in the market. Let us first understand the individual equilibrium of an organization under monopolistic competition. As we know, every seller, irrespective of the market structure, is willing to maximize his profits. In monopolistic competition, profits are maximized at a point where marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. The price determined at the point is known as equilibrium of price and output produced at this point is called equilibrium output. If the marginal revenue of a seller are greater than marginal cost, she may plan to expand his or output. On the other hand, marginal revenue is lesser than marginal cost. It will be profitable for the seller to reduce his or output to the level where margin is equal to marginal cost. Equilibrium in short run. In short run equilibrium of a monopolistic competition, organization is the same as that of an organization under monopoly. In the short run, an organization under monopolistic competition attains its equilibrium where marginal revenue equals marginal cost and sets its price according to its demand curve. This implies that in the short run, profits are maximized when MR is equal to MC. This shows in the figure. In figure 2, AR is the average revenue curve. MR represents curve. ACC curve denotes the short run average cost curve, while SMC signifies the short run marginal cost. In figure 2, it can be seen that MR intersects SMC at output OM, where price is OP. This is because P is the point on AR curve which is price. In figure 2, it can be interpreted from the organization earning supernormal profit. Supernormal profit per unit of output is the difference between average revenue and average cost. In figure 2, average revenue at equilibrium point MP and average cost is MT. Therefore, PT is the supernormal profit per unit of output. In the represent case, supernormal profit to be measured area of rectangular PPTT. Here, PPTT. This is the supernormal profit earned by the monopolist. On the other hand, when marginal cost greater than marginal revenue, organization would incur loss. In figure 3, it shows loss. How? In short run under monopolistic competition, here OP is smaller than MT, which implies that average revenue is smaller than average cost. TP is representing the loss that has incurred per unit of output. Therefore, total loss is depicted from rectangular TTPP. Equilibrium in the long run. In the preceding sections, we discussed short run organizations can earn supernormal profit, where in the long run there is a gradual decrease in the profits of organization. This is because in the long run, several new organizations enter the market due to freedom of free and exist under monopolistic competition. When these new organizations start production, the supply would increase and price would fall. This would automatically increase the level of competition in the market. Consequently, AR curve shifts from right to left and supernormal profit replaced with normal profits. In the long run, the AR curve is more elastic than that of the short run. This is because of an increasing number of substitute products in the long run. The long run equilibrium of monopolistically competition organization is achieved when average revenue is equal to average cost. Figure 4 shows long run equilibrium position under monopolistic competition. Here this is. In figure 4, point at H, here curve touches the average cost curve at tangent. P is regarded as the equilibrium point at which price level is MP. Okay, that output is OM. In the present case, average cost equal to average revenue, that is MP. Therefore, in the long run, the normal profit is normal. In the short run, equilibrium attained, the marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. In the long run, both the conditions attain equilibrium. Okay, in this session we see price distribution under monopolistic competition.